Wave, Oscar. Wave.
Like a shell. Wait, it's eating my shorts. Wait, it's eating my shorts.
So nice.
Carly, look, the chicken's pecking the I'm not sure how to. Did you feel him? Oscar, feel how soft it is. You're petting the goats. That's a sheep.
Oh,
One of these goats looks like an avatar.
You can soft like a blanket. Here, sweetie. Put your hand on him. That is the top, best looking chicken I've seen. That one's so cute. It's got a little pink collar.
Isn't that a nice chicken, Oscar?
I think the animals are really smart. They're all sitting right here by the nice. Oh, look at this. What's the name of that dog? Carly, do you know the name of the dog that has that ridge on the... This one's a real go-getter.
Aha, another one.
Got personality, that.
James, you're really missing out. It's really cool in here. I think you're too hot. You're in a stupor now. Right here. Right here. Oh, yeah. Is it funny? A little bit? Not really. Well, Lucy Q and Mateo, they're both 14 years old, 14 months old. Oh, this. Where's the pony ride? Oh, cute. Yay! You know, that's kind of like the Africans do it if your horse's name. We'll have to wait till Jordan comes around, and then we can tell her. Hi! Arizona! Jordan, you're on a horse named Arizona.
Hi.
Hi! Oh, looks like fun. Hi! Like twinsies.
Has Oscar ever met Jordan before?
No. We just thought it would be a nice idea.
Yeah.
Once they got used to it, once he got used to it. Coming down.
Hey!
Here comes Jordan.
Hey! Good going.
More?
A little more. This way. There it is.
Now crank it all the way up.
Now you want to put some more feed in there? Ask Podge for 25 cents.
I don't have any more. Go the other way.
It's coming down.
Yeah, keep going.
Coming down.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
Coming down.
Right. It comes down. Here it is. There goes the cup. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, Jordan is strong. And there comes the cup.
make it hard. Oh, can you make it, Jordan?